that nice ball over there.
I don't know.
Have we got the positions worked out?
I put my red shorts on so you can see me.
We've got the positions sorted out.
Yeah, you're at the back, Jim. And John. I know. I put red shorts on, Bob, so you can get me out.
Let's play between balls.
Yeah, we'll play with this one. What ball do you want to play with?
No, that's...
Heads or tails? It's tails. You can have heads. Right, let's go. Let's rock and roll. We've started.
Stand him up, stand him up.
Dennis and Jim, Mick's coming through.
Yes, yes, through, okay.
We're in.
Sorry, Dennis.
No, never. To the camera. Oi. Andy?
Yeah,
Mick?
back.
No, you're right.
Heavy feet.
Kev?
Oh, good turn, Kev. Unlucky.
It's close to, Kev, if not. Kev? Close to, if not.
I will when I get a chance. I'm cold. Mike's looking wide. Thank you. It's coming in front of you. Right! Good cover.
Kev? 2 steps, the first 2 again. Big quick fella, slow down. You hurt yourself.
Got time. Well played.
On his side.
Well played.
Yes, yes, Al. Al.
Go on, Al.
Yeah.
Out, guys.
Yes, please.
Hold it.
Good challenge. Michael.
Hey, Kev. Watch you go back, look good on. Jim, Jim. Yes, yes, football.
Bobby.
Okay,
Go. Michael.
No.
Good call. Let's come up now.
Middle one left.
Unlucky. Well, good call.
Mick.
Sorry, fella, too slow.
Mick. Look at ball.
Watch his side. That's tight. That's tight.
ahead, somebody yellow, covering.
Behind you, Kev, behind you.
Kev all by himself, come on guys.
Well done.
Well, lucky Kev, well lucky, well played Blues.
Drop a little bit.
Good time.
Got the three coming left.
Talk to him, Jimmy. Somebody stay with Chris. Malcolm, Chris, behind you.
Chris! Chris!
Dennis.
Dennis!
Den.
Alan's by himself.
Well done. Right.
Don't know, I didn't see. Back here. Hey, oh, Jim's got him. Well, got him, Johnny. Go, guys.
Two to the left.
Right.
Right, turn!
Well played, guys. Back to face. Up on Robert. Up on Robert.
Andy, all right. Chris looking. Chris. Let the referee call the game. Right, that's a appeal.
Hang on a minute, Ronnie.
What's the point of having a referee?
Hang on a minute, fellas.
Oh, you might like to appeal for decision.
Just knock it back where Ronnie's for me, please. Chris is running. Right. What on, Jimmy? Right. You want to hear again?
Switch it, and again.
Quick, Kev, I'm afraid. When you're ready, Jimmy, shoot.
I'll shoot you in a minute.
Very nice.
Middle.
Yeah, good ball. Well played.
You need.
Lots of time.
Hey, Nate. You go right now.
Lots of time. Hold up, then. Look up, Vincent. Centre.
Don't cover this too. It's okay.
Look up, Andy. Look up.
Andy!
Guys,
That's yours, mate.
go
Get it
forward.
wide.
Come on, guys. Look around you. Everybody that way.
I like it.
Andy. Goalkeeper's ball. Well played, you Blues up there. Well played.
All right, good.
Man on.
One's good, this. Ray, turn this way.
Right,
Out to the wing, out to the wing. Sorry. Yeah,
Good one.
What's that middle, boys? What's the middle? That's right, Jeff Scott. What's the shot, Bob?
Yep.
Go again.
Malcolm.
Wait, who was your feet?
Malcolm, sorry.
Okay.
Like Dennis.
If you can. Feet.
Hang on. Come on, guys. Let's get another goal. Come on. Jimmy. Go, Jim. When are you ready?
it's just he doesn't like you.
Sorry, the ball wasn't good, I.
Yeah.
They're down that end, over there.
Right behind you. This blooming thing's breathing down my neck up here.
Talk to him, Jimmy. Yeah, it's a bit quick, I'm afraid.
Come on, boy, come on.
After Orioles.
1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, now keep.
Okay, with right. Stick with right, Rob. Stick with right.
Ozzy, back post.
Sorry.
Looking round, Blues. Keep looking round. On your toes, Blues. On your toes.
Look, got Jim here. Come on.
Keep looking.
Yeah. Yeah, good.
Come back, Dennis. Come back. Vincent, come back. There's nobody up there. Oh!
Malcolm.
Looking round, everybody.
That's the Mickey chain. That's
Time.